The Lee Board of County Commissioners are proud to announce the completion of the second and final phase of the Littleton Road Widening project.
So this project was all about safety and efficiency. Efficiency because 60% of people who work and live in Cape Coral actually drive over the bridge to go to work every day. And they used to come to the end of Kismet and they had to make a left turn and a right turn to get onto Littleton. Well, now it's one straight shot to get people over into North Fort Myers. You know, we're coming up on an intersection that I think a lot of drivers used to find very dangerous. It was the intersection of Littleton and Corbett. It was almost like a Y shape, but now you can see it's a smooth roundabout. It's pretty clear that you yield to the traffic that's coming, and then if it's clear, you can just roll right through. One of the things I really like about this project for the residents who live off of Littleton are the sidewalks on both sides of the road. You know, we had to make sure that this road was safe for the residents to use. And so now they don't have to worry about cars. They have their own bike lanes and sidewalks that are plenty wide enough to get out of traffic and be safe. Something else that was really a big part of this project were the turn lanes. So for residents who live off of Littleton Road, they needed a safe way to get out of traffic and be able to turn into their communities. It also made it safer for drivers who are going straight through too, so that they were able to efficiently get over the bridge to work every day. You know, one of the big improvements we made along this road were the crosswalks here for the pedestrians. We wanted to make sure that if they have to get across the road from one side to the other, they could do it safely with those marked crosswalks. One of the things we had to take into account as we planned this project was where were the cars going to queue and stack up so that they could get out of traffic while they're waiting to get in and out of the car pickup line. This project, I think, successfully helped that situation, and hopefully drivers will be able to get in and out of the school much more efficiently and safely.
This project has been a dedicated and collaborative effort to enhance the quality of life for the residents of Cape Coral and North Fort Myers. From the beginning, the vision was to transform this roadway into a corridor that not only improves safety and traffic efficiency, but also supports a variety of transportation modes and community needs. The improvements were designed to accommodate vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and public transit, creating a safer and more connected environment for everyone. The project required 148,500 cubic yards of earthwork, 7,400 tons of asphalt, 2.3 miles of storm drain, and 13,713 square yards of concrete sidewalks and driveways. The project features a new roundabout at the intersection of Kismet Parkway, Corbett Road, and Littleton Road, new street lighting, sidewalks and on-road bike lanes on both sides of the road, bridge culvert extensions at the Yellow Fever Creek, 3 pedestrian crossings, an enhanced stormwater management system, landscaping improvements, and decorative pavers. Beyond the technical enhancements, this project reflects a long-term investment in the region's infrastructure, one that encourages economic growth, supports local mobility, and strengthens the connection between neighboring communities. The end result is a roadway that is not only functional and efficient, but also inclusive and sustainable for future generations. I'd like to specifically thank our project partners, the design engineer of record for the Phase 1 of the project, AIM Engineering and Surveying, the design engineer of record for Phase 2 of the project, Stantec Consulting Services, the construction engineering inspector for both phases of the job, Atkins Realis, the contractor for Phase 1, Tompkins Contracting, the contractor for Phase 2, Wright Construction Group, FDOT for their partnership at the connection to US 41, and subcontractors on the job. I'm proud of the dedication and teamwork demonstrated by our Lee County staff and the contractors who worked diligently to bring this project to completion. Their commitment, expertise, and perseverance ensured that every phase was carried out with care and precision. Progress takes time, but the results of this effort clearly show that the wait was well worth it.
We're about to drive on to the newly finished Littleton Road. Today, let's cut this ribbon to mark a new era of connectivity between North Fort Myers and Cape Coral. Here we go.